In this question, you have to match the items given under column 1 with those in column 2. Now, fibrinogen forms the fibrin during coagulation, and these fibrin strands form a network and it forms a mesh which are occupied by blood cells, and finally it forms a clot. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, antibodies are derived from gamma globulin fraction of plasma proteins, which means globulins are involved in defense mechanism. Thus, B matches with 3. Now, albumin is a plasma protein which is mainly responsible for blood colloid osmotic pressure. Thus, C matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C.